The Love Bytes VR jam is over and the results are in. It looks like you're all really in love with VR because you've submitted some absolutely amazing games. Games that dove deep into the meaning of love, games that explored every stage of love that you can go through. Games that... What the hell is this? Why would someone... Alright, before I get too distracted, let's dive into our winners, and maybe we'll come back to whatever that was. So first up is our third place winner with CatLoveVR by TribeImmerssivePaula. This game is what you'd call perfect. See what I did there? It's a blend of beauty and wisdom, set in a valley teeming with cats eager to school you on what love's mysteries are.
It's been waiting to bloom. It would be my delight to spend this time.
As you wander around, you must learn everything you can from all the cats as they illuminate you on all there is to know about love. I have to say, it's easily one of the jam's most visual standouts. For second place, we have... Oh, what was that? Oh, we actually have a tie for third place? Well, I'm glad I caught that before announcing anything. That would have actually been pretty embarrassing. That's right. Another third place winner with VR Date Story by Edenis. This game proves that the VR Halloween Jam isn't quite over yet because it's a bit of a cautionary, scary tale about dating online. As you're thrown into the dating pool, you go out on a date and you find yourself a little trapped. One aspect I loved about this game was how the progression of the story unfolded. Even after surviving the traumatic event, I still chose to give online dating another chance. And in second place, we have, well, Second Base by Kokutouchichi. Remember that strange game from the beginning? Well, here it is. In this game, you have to control your mouth and your tongue as you learn the proper ways to make out with someone. It's an intimate, hilarious journey that starts you off snacking on some candy to mastering the art of kissing. Disturbing? Perhaps. Entertaining? Absolutely. Kokutouchichi, please, bring more of this unique genius in the future. Now that we're done getting tongue-twisted, let's talk about our grand prize winner. Embodying the full spectrum of love is Love Panic by Ian Lindsey. Ian's creation shines in with polish, inviting players to win over their dates with the perfect gift from their little love box. The game's charm lies in the details and the animations, immersive sound design, and engaging gameplay.
Ooh, I like it.
Ian, you've captured our hearts here, and congratulations on a job brilliantly done. Thank you to all who participated with all this love flying around. I just want to say that I love hosting these jams. Shout out to Muddy Wolf for being my co-host, and an even bigger shout out to my Patreon subscribers, because without you, I can't do this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.